Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an e-visa, or in other terms electronic visa, before you arrive to Nepal. So guys, Nepal is again a very popular tourist destination, and many people don't even need a visa to go to Nepal. Like Indian citizens, they visit like this, right, without any visa, but many other country residents do need a visa. So Nepal has only one airport, Tribhuvan International Airport. So that point you need to put in your mind. You can either apply on arrival, or you can obtain it before going over there. It's a very smooth process. I have not seen much reports of people saying delay and all. Again, situations do vary, and timings also do vary. So these things you need to keep it in mind. So I'm going to show you how you can arrive, how you can apply pre-arrival, before arriving. Even in that case you need to print and carry the fee, but it will be smoother for you. So in front of you I have opened official Department of Immigration site of Nepal. So you have visa pre-arrival, click on this. So here first you need to select your entry point. So I have put some sample details here, very basic questions, and then click on proceed. In this section, your personal details like name, gender, etc., address, email, your photo, your passport photo. So, and if you have more than one passport of another country, you can check this box. So you need to fill as per your case. I'm just gonna put some sample. So now you can see that I have put some sample details. So check your details. Once you are ready, click on proceed. Now here you see the visa options. At the top it is also showing you the visa cost. Okay, so here it is asking, like it is showing you all the details that you have entered, and if once you verify and things are fine, you can click on confirm. Otherwise you can go back and change, uh, and then it generates a letter for you that you can print and carry along with you. The fee is already shown above, and again there is a checklist, okay, that you should carry as well. And before I end the video, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Now I am also showing you the document checklist. They have a section for that. Here for tourist visa you can see what are the things they have asked, and similar details are available for other kinds of visa too. So it depends, like uh, on your situation. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.